Welcome to our video on 10 modern basement renovations for extra living space. If you've been dreaming of transforming your underutilized basement into a stylish and functional area, you've come to the right place. From sleek home gyms to inviting guest suites, we'll explore innovative renovations that can enhance your home's comfort and value. Join us as we showcase creative ideas that will inspire you to turn that basement into your favorite part of the house. 1. Open concept entertainment space. The idea of an open concept entertainment space is all about creating a welcoming environment for family and friends. Think of it as your personal getaway without leaving the comfort of your home. By knocking down walls and adding stylish lighting, you can transform your basement into a lively area. Imagine a cozy sectional sofa, a large flat-screen TV, and perhaps a pool table in the corner. This setup is perfect for hosting game nights or movie marathons. It's like having a mini theater and lounge all in one space. The open concept allows for easy movement and conversation, making it the heart of your home entertainment. 2. Home gym with glass walls. Creating a home gym with glass walls in your basement is both practical and trendy. Glass walls provide an open feel, allowing natural light to flood in, which can be quite motivating during workouts. You can equip the space with essential fitness gear like treadmills, weights, and yoga mats. Having a dedicated space for exercise means you can maintain your fitness regime without the hassle of gym memberships. The transparent walls also help in keeping an eye on kids while you work out. This modern approach to basement renovation turns fitness into a convenient and enjoyable part of your daily routine. 3. Luxe wine cellar. For wine enthusiasts, a luxe wine cellar in the basement is a dream come true. Imagine rows of neatly arranged bottles, ambient lighting, and a tasting area with plush seating. This renovation not only adds a luxurious touch to your home but also serves a practical purpose for wine storage. The cool and stable environment of the basement makes it an ideal place for preserving your favorite vintages. You can even include a small bar area for hosting intimate wine tasting parties. It's like having a slice of vineyard elegance right under your feet. 4. Minimalist studio apartment. A minimalist studio apartment in the basement is perfect for accommodating guests or even as a rental space. This design focuses on simplicity and functionality, with clean lines and minimal decor. Think of it as a compact living area with a small kitchenette, a bathroom, and a comfortable sleeping area. The minimalist approach makes the space feel larger and more inviting. It's an excellent solution for providing privacy and independence to visitors or family members. The transformation from an unused basement to a sleek studio apartment can be both stylish and economically beneficial. 5. Modern home office. In today's remote working world, a modern home office in the basement can be a game changer. This renovation idea focuses on creating a productive environment free from the distractions of home life. You can design the space with ergonomic furniture, ample storage, and inspiring decor. A quiet and dedicated workspace can significantly boost your efficiency and creativity. Think about adding a large desk, comfortable chair, and perhaps a few plants to keep the atmosphere fresh and lively. This transformation allows you to separate work from leisure, enhancing both your professional and personal life. 6. Industrial chic loft. The industrial chic loft style is all about merging raw materials with modern design. Exposed brick walls, metal fixtures, and wooden beams can give your basement an edgy yet warm feel. This renovation style is perfect for those who love a rustic look with a contemporary twist. You can add urban-inspired furniture, vintage decor, and modern lighting to complete the look. The industrial chic loft can serve as a unique living area, art studio, or even a creative workspace. It's like bringing a piece of the bustling city vibe into your home. 7. Stylish guest suite. Transforming your basement into a stylish guest suite is an excellent way to extend hospitality. This renovation includes a cozy bedroom area, an ensuite bathroom, and perhaps a small sitting area. It's a perfect setup for hosting friends or family overnight. You can choose soothing color palettes, soft textiles, and elegant lighting to create a welcoming atmosphere. A guest suite in the basement ensures that visitors have their own private space to relax and unwind. It's like offering a 5-star experience right in your own home. 8. Home theater with plush seating. Imagine having a home theater with plush seating right in your basement. This renovation idea is perfect for movie buffs and families who love watching films together. You can install a large screen, high-quality sound system, and comfortable recliners to create an authentic cinema experience. Add some dimmable lighting and soundproofing for that perfect theater ambiance. This transformation turns your basement into a go-to spot for entertainment, making movie nights more enjoyable than ever. It's like having a personal theater without the hassle of leaving home. 9. Playroom for kids. A playroom for kids in the basement is a fantastic way to give them their own space to explore and have fun. This renovation can include colorful decor, interactive toys, and creative play areas. By dedicating a space for play, you can keep the rest of your home tidy and organized. Think of it as a mini adventure land where creativity knows no bounds. You can also incorporate educational elements like books and puzzles to encourage learning through play. This transformation turns your basement into a magical world where kids can be themselves. 10. Custom laundry room. A custom laundry room in the basement can transform a mundane chore into a more pleasant task. This renovation idea focuses on creating an efficient and organized space for washing and folding clothes. You can add stylish cabinets, countertops, and modern appliances to enhance functionality. A well-designed laundry room can make the process more efficient and less of a hassle. Think about adding some cheerful decor and perhaps a folding station for added convenience. This transformation turns your basement into a practical and attractive part of your home.